Kani ke Jingialang kabahnya pula jangka Plenary session ke North Eastern Council. Lasyong bisa di projek ke Brangyat, bat cimrai ya ki kampan roi bdan kam habah khmat ayat na kebenta ke jela ke Thain Shatei Lammihngi na kebenta ke senam arhajar arpun riau arpun nyo. Habakran ke Jingialang Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Preng Amit Shah uloong ba ke Sarkar Preng hapo ke Jingialang Narendra Modi kala pelat ke Thain Shatei Lammihngi na ke jingjot namar ki kam kai klau. Badong bekladon hadok pelat Shipau hajar pras pangut kisamlai ke balawan pendam waj hakini ki kat arsenam ke belalet no. Uloong bagane ke jingwan ke jingkala ke de senja menara ke jing sok apa ke jinglam Menteri rang bado kari. Bat hakini ki kat arsenam ke belalet palat kat arteli ke sekolah resok lesoi ban penkot ki kam snam ha ke Thain Shatei Lammihngi. Uloong ru bahakini ki kat arsenam ke Sarkar Preng kala yo ben plet jingmot ha ke ban pentelun ha ke rukam ke bastet ki kam penroi ha ke Thain Shatei Lammihngi. Habaikran bikilat patai kubor hadian balawai ke Jingialang u Jyotira Ditya M Sindhya uloong bakani kathan kalong kebenta ke bakong san'e jangka Viksit Bharat kemba laproj lenti da u Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Preng Amit Shah. Uloong bawa Menteri Korbari ulebo ke lenti ya na kebenta ke NEC bajong borok prateli ke jela na kebenta kini ki kat arbanai banwan. Benta kin sedang bantrai no ya ki kam kat kum ke jing betha jung Amit Shah. Sindhya uleto bahapo ke jinglam Menteri rang bado kari ki prateli ke jela ke lanang kiau na kawai ke por syakawai pat batkin salong ki Ashta Lakshmi jong ke India kat bai rang yat kelenti syaka Viksit Bharat kat akasnam arhajar arpuhnyo. Uloong ba ke jingyat jong ki kampenroy ke Thain Shatei Lammihngi kedai ke belalai apo ke jing ijingai jong Menteri rang bado kari bat kala kiau bon sya hagayo kakot.
Be presiding and present at the NISAC meeting following the 73rd Plenary of the Northeast Council. Now, NISAC and donor have had a umbilical cord relationship from their very birth. They were both born a year apart, both in the month of September, NISAC in the year 2000, donor in the year 2001. Both envisioned by our former Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who had a very forward-thinking vision for a developed India. The participation by ISRO in ensuring that this momentum gathers pace has led to a new propulsion for NISAC as well. And as Chairman Saab said, आज इसरो ने अंतरिक्ष के क्षेत्र में भारत के तिरंगे को विश्व पटल पर नहीं लेकिन चांद पे भी गाड़ के रख दिया।
During the course of the session, there were different aspects of policies that were discussed, and I'm very pleased to state that the Honorable Union Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister had constituted national high-level task forces headed by different chief ministers on different subjects that were important for the Northeast. For example, agriculture-related task force, tourism-related task force, infrastructure-related task force, sports-related task force. And all of these task forces have given their presentation today, and they have given a report and the way forward in which the entire Northeast and the different states can work together to push the different agendas that are there, and how, rather than working as individual states, they can work as a united team for the entire Northeast. And maybe for the first time, we are seeing this kind of a policy direction being taken by the Northeast Council, which is something that many have been speaking for a long time. So we are seeing that thought process today finally actually fructifying. And NEC, from being just a funding agency today, has become into a policy agency, and an agency that's creating different thought processes for the Northeast and the different states in the region. And it was a very productive meeting, and now we look forward to actually seeing the reports being submitted by these high-level task forces being implemented in the next 1 year. And that is a direction that the Honorable Home Minister and Donor Minister has given to each of the Chief Ministers who heads one respective high-level task force. And we hope that we will see a lot of positive results, as it will be collaboration between the states of the Northeast and a coordination between the central ministries for Government of India, and a mechanism of making sure that they work together to achieve the common goal.